Hey guys, it's Ryan Nicolaitis at MarineMax in Dallas, and today we are going to be taking a look at the 2025 Mastercraft XT24 in this beautiful matte gray color. Come on, let's take a look. All right, on the back of this XT24, we have the optional swim platform that we can pull up, push down, and the great part about this are the two transom seats in the back, as well as the transom walkthrough. So if you've been surfing, you can just hop up on that board, walk all the way through. The details on this boat are amazing. Let's take a closer look. Here we are inside this XT24. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Peanut butter guts. The gray next to this tan color honestly has blue notes. If you look at all the details, the transom walkthrough comes all the way here to where you can get to the bottom of the sea deck. Then if you'd like it to be rear facing, it's that easy. All the seats can face in the back. We have extra cup holders down there. And everybody can watch the action that's happening at the back of the boat. In the captain's chair, we have the new 12-inch screen. This comes with auto launch technology, powered with SurfStar, the absolute best wave on the market. And up at the bow, we have a large, spacious bow with full storage capabilities that you do not see often with these towboats. Once again, I'm Ryan Nicolaitis at MarineMax in Dallas. Come by and see this beautiful, beautiful XT24.